Imagine a silent Martian dust devil swirling across the red plains of Mars. Nothing more than a ghostly tower of sand drifting across a dead landscape. But then, a tiny crackle, a faint electric pop. On Earth, you'd barely notice it. On Mars, it changes everything. What if the red planet is not as quiet as we believed? What if its storms are secretly alive with electricity? What if silent sparks are rewriting our understanding of Mars, weather, climate, and even the possibility of future human missions? This isn't science fiction. This is a real NASA discovery. And it's shocking. Since 2021, NASA's Perseverance rover has been exploring the ancient Jezero crater, a place where a river once flowed, a lake once existed, and where signs of ancient life may still lie buried beneath red dust. But Perseverance has revealed something completely unexpected. For decades, scientists guessed Mars might produce small electrical sparks inside its massive dust storms and spiraling dust devils. But no one had proof. Now, Perseverance's SuperCam, a highly sensitive instrument that records sound, atmospheric signals, and electromagnetic activity, has captured something extraordinary. Miniature lightning, tiny electric discharges, popping, crackling, snapping, inside Martian dust events. After analyzing recordings from 2 Martian years, scientists have publicly confirmed the discovery. Mars is not a silent world. It's an electrified one. The discovery, what Perseverance found. Scientists studied more than 28 hours of direct audio recordings from the rover. Inside those recordings, they found 55 distinct electrical discharges, spark-like pops inside dust devils, electrostatic mini-lightning during dust storms, high-frequency crackles picked up by the rover's microphone. These aren't lightning bolts flashing across the sky. They are tiny sparks, millimeters long, more like static electricity, generated when dust particles rub together in the thin Martian air. This effect is known as triboelectric charging. When dust grains collide, they gain or lose electrons, building up charge. Eventually, that charge releases a spark. It's small, it's subtle, but it's huge for science, because for the first time ever, Mars has been heard crackling with electricity. Why this matters? A new understanding of Martian weather. Mars is famous for dust storms, some the size of entire continents, but until now, no one knew if these storms were electrically active. Now we know they are. These sparks could influence how dust moves, how storms grow, how the atmosphere behaves. In fact, dust transport is one of the biggest drivers of Martian climate. Atmospheric chemistry could be changing. These tiny sparks may create reactive chemicals in the atmosphere, compounds that can break apart organic molecules or interact with gases like methane. This might explain strange puzzles scientists have faced for years, such as, why does methane on Mars appear and disappear unpredictably? Why are organic molecules so fragile on Mars? Lightning, even tiny lightning, could be playing a major role. Risks for future human missions. NASA already plans future human exploration of Mars, but static discharges could cause issues with electronics, interference with sensors, risks to scientific equipment, challenges for spacesuit safety. They're not dangerous like Earth lightning, but on a planet where electronics keep you alive, tiny sparks matter a lot. But look what this changes. This discovery opens new scientific doors. Was Mars always electrically active? Millions of years of sparks could have shaped atmospheric evolution surface, chemistry, dust movement patterns as Mars. Were they more dynamic than we thought? If small dust devils can spark electricity, what happens during planet-wide dust storms that engulf Mars every few years? Could much larger discharges exist? Ones we haven't detected yet. What else is hiding in the Martian atmosphere? Perseverance recorded only a tiny portion of Mars weather. Imagine what future missions might hear, or what astronauts might witness with their own eyes. This discovery doesn't close a chapter. It opens a thrilling new one. Mars is electrified. Tiny mini-lightning events prove the Martian atmosphere is more alive and dynamic than scientists believed. Dust storms have hidden power. These sparks might influence climate, dust, transport, and atmospheric chemistry. Human missions must prepare for it. Rovers, habitats, spacesuits, All future equipment must be redesigned with Martian electricity in mind. Mars just whispered a new secret. A crackling, static spark that challenges everything we thought we knew about the red planet, and we're just beginning to understand it. If you want to stay ahead of the biggest discoveries in astronomy, planetary science, and space exploration, then hit subscribe on AEDID. Because the universe is speaking. And here, we're listening.